Dunumala Ella, also referred to as Uduwaka Falls or Devin Penna, is a picturesque waterfall situated in the Kegalle district of Sri Lanka, around 30 kilometers east of Gampaha. This enchanting waterfall stands approximately 45 feet tall and is formed by the Algama Oya, which is a tributary of the larger Attanagalu Oya river. The waterfall is nestled in a lush, serene environment, making it an ideal spot for nature enthusiasts and travelers seeking tranquility away from the bustling city life. The surrounding area is rich with diverse flora and fauna, offering a perfect backdrop for photography and exploration. Visitors often enjoy the peaceful ambiance and the opportunity to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the Sri Lankan landscape. In addition to its scenic appeal, Dunumala Ella holds cultural significance and is sometimes associated with local legends and folklore, adding an intriguing historical dimension to the visit. The accessibility of the falls makes it a convenient day trip for those based in nearby towns or cities, providing a refreshing escape into nature. Overall, Dunumala Ella is a hidden gem that captures the essence of Sri Lanka's natural allure, offering a unique experience for anyone interested in exploring the country's rich ecological and cultural heritage.